Hey, so what are they saying?
They're trying to rape us.
Why?
Because it needs to run and lay out, and it will. And it lays out on 48.
Buddy.
Yes, sir. It'll run. I will.
Somebody protested it, or?
No, this is the way it is. No, it's got to run. Yeah, that's fine. It'll make it fair for everyone, you know what I'm saying? Anyone can do a bad outside you push in. Well, not anyone, but you know what I mean. No, Hector deserves it. Hector, get over here. They're filming this. Come on, right? Hector, I love you, Daddy.
I want to see their faces when it starts. Hey, go drag it over there.
Hey, how far does it have to go? I just want to see it move a little bit out. Like move.
If it throws oil, just a little bit, boom. If it don't, do a burn off in this motherfucker.
You wrap it. Get out the way! South 11. Once again, they want to see this truck start. Get a little extra money, a little extra moolah. It's not good, so why not does it? Turn it off real quick. Hold on.
Not enough juice.
Not enough juice here.
Needs more juice.
Hold the hood.
Hold on.
Hold on a little bit. Hold on.
So what was you saying?
Much, dog. They want to see this fucking vehicle start again, dog, and give them what they want. Get that extra money. We got it. Hey, back up. Set the hood down. Go right.
Move it. Make those tires move.
It's good. We good. Let's go.
There it is. True. That does work. And still in denial. They don't want to give them a center focus. It's a fire. Now if it's turn on, then nothing is tonight. There you go. So it don't turn on? Leaking oil! Hey!
¿Qué va manejando?
Zacas, ¿qué pasó?
Nick,
It runs.